So I'm over at xjoe81x's house, and he's got an interesting issue with his newer Kenmore washing machine here. Okay, washer twerps, get your jergens. Here we go. He tells me that one day he came down here and he closes the lid. It's got the lid switch and that. Closes the lid, it does the laundry. He came down here and it was filled with water and it's just sitting there. And he closed the lid and everything was good and it finished, and then another time like it did it again. Well, here's the issue. Hear anything wrong? What you're hearing there is fine, but watch. You hear that little click? That's the lid switch. Just barely not engaging. So lately there's just been a paint can on it to kind of hold it down. So one day we're going to have to address that and see. We'll either... Oh, actually it's screwed in right here. So it seems solidly mounted. That's very strange. I don't know. Maybe the lid switch is getting wonky. We're probably just going to end up disabling it entirely because that's the best way. The other option is to just extend that with either maybe a tiny piece of tubing that either one of us might have, or even a dot of hot glue. Just put a little bump on the end of it, a little something there, and that would press it just that little amount. And obviously you know that as it runs, that could at any time just, you know, come undone and then it'll stop working. But interesting issue, and this would throw a lot of old ladies for a loop, saying, my washing machine is broken. I'll have to call the repairman. And the repairman comes down and says, oh, we don't work on these anymore. These are too old. We don't work on these. You got to get a new washer. I don't know. They came and installed this spaceship thing and nothing ever gets washed anymore. I got to wash it 6 times and it's costing me a lot in water. I'm on a fixed income. All right. So that'll be addressed one day. I just wanted to give you this quick one on that. Just an interesting thing. Yet the old machine right here still works fine. Who knew? All right, anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.